In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from Airtable. If you need to revoke someone's access to a workspace or base, Airtable makes the process fairly straightforward. The key is to make sure you're editing the correct location because access can be granted at different levels depending on how your setup is organized. To begin, open the workspace or base where the person currently has access. Take a moment to verify that you're in the right place before making any changes. This is especially important if you manage multiple bases, since removing access from one base does not necessarily affect access somewhere else. Once you're inside the correct workspace or base, look for the share option or the collaborators area. In Airtable, this is where you manage who can view, comment on, or edit the content. Click into that section to open the sharing and permissions settings. When the list of collaborators appears, find the user you want to remove. It's a good idea to read carefully here, especially if several users have similar names or roles. You want to be certain you're selecting the correct person before continuing. Next, open the drop-down menu beside that user's name. This menu usually contains the available permission actions for that collaborator, such as changing their access level or removing them entirely. If you don't immediately see the option, pause for a second and scan the menu carefully, since the wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're in a workspace or a base. From that drop-down, choose the option to remove the user or remove the collaborator. This is the action that revokes their access from that specific Airtable location. Be aware that once this is done, they may no longer be able to open the base or workspace, depending on how their permissions were originally granted. If Airtable asks you to confirm the removal, go ahead and confirm the change. This extra prompt is there to help prevent accidental edits, so it's worth taking a final look before approving it. After the removal is complete, do one last access check. Review the collaborator list and make sure the user no longer appears there. This final verification helps confirm that the change was successful and that access has actually been removed, and that's it. That's how to remove a user from Airtable quickly and safely.